G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out.
I've just pumped this job with cellulose fibre insulation. It's just up to the tops of exhaust there. You can see one downlight there right in front of me, and there's actually a number of downlights in this job, and they're all out in the edges, like this one out here. Right, and you see that one there. Right, we just put shrouds around them, and I often get people wanting to know the difference between a good job and a bad job, and I'll just let you know, like this is when we pump around the shroud, sometimes a little bit flows over into the inside of the light shroud, and a lot of contractors, especially when they're hard to get to and the roof's 83 degrees Celsius during summer, they don't maybe come back and clean them out properly, and a lot of guys will just blow them out and go and try and blow them out like that. It's not very effective. I use one of these battery operated garden blowers. This is just a cheap one because they can't handle the heat, and I just put that in there, give it a little blow like that. And then you can see now it's nice and clean in there, and there's no dust settled on it or anything like that, and that's how I want to leave the job. And now that that's clean, there'll never be any dust or cellulose fibre fall in there, and the transformer will stay nice and cool, just the way it normally does. And you might get a little bit of cellulose come through the light fitting itself when I blow that out, but and if there's any hanging in the light, you can just get a vacuum cleaner and suck it out from the bottom. But that's how we want to leave the job, is nice and clean like that. So, all right.